Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Today, epidemics such as SARS, Ebola and new type of coronavirus COVID-19 can spread rapidly in a short time, causing thousands of deaths. COVID-19, which was first seen in December, cost 4,000 lives in Italy alone and more than 250,000 people worldwide. In history, more than 100,000 people died in the UK after the Great Plague epidemic in 1665. 1. Winday, it was not known that smoking was so much harm to health in ancient times. Although Winday's disease was initially seen as difficulty in breathing, it was known that smokers were extremely ill with this disease. Those who suffered from this disease had difficulty breathing and died from respiratory failure. 2. Purple's scorbutic disease. This name was given in English, as purple spots appear on the skin of those suffering from this disease. Scorbutic disease appeared in the 15th century and was the main cause of death and injury for seafarers at that time. A disease caused by a deficiency of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Symptoms of this disease are malaise, easily bleeding and retreating gums, bruises on the skin, delay in healing of wounds, dryness and cracks in the skin. If the blood vessels of the patient under the skin are broken, death becomes inevitable. 3. Rising of the lights. Today, diphtheria disease, known as bird palsy, can be treated at 97%. Diphtheria is an infectious disease that usually occurs in young children. As it occurs in the throat or nose area as a respiratory diffuser, it can also appear on our skin as a skin diffuser. Patients with this disease may have symptoms such as difficulty in swallowing and breathing, abdominal pain, bruising on the lips and swelling of the palate. Even if people have the disease, there is a risk of getting sick again because the body does not produce a complete protective response. 4. Livergrown. The liver of those who have this disease is growing. When this growth cannot be stopped, the patient dies after a certain time. According to the records, doctors said that the symptom of this disease was jaundice and abdominal pain. This disease was caused by many factors, but it was most common in alcoholics. 5. Timpany. Serious swelling occurs in the digestive system of those suffering from this disease. These swellings can sometimes lead to death. Diseases such as kidney problems, intestinal infections, and cancer tumors can cause tympany. 6. Tissick. This disease, which meant decay, weakening and disintegration, had tuberculosis-like effects. The body of the patient, who is exhausted due to the virus, also becomes worn.